Hi everyone, welcome back to Pigtree. Today I'll be making this cute blueberry jam candle. To start with, get some gel wax, get some blue colouring and melt them down together. Make sure to use transparent colouring, but unlike me, do not use water-based colour as it won't mix well with the wax. Grab a clean jam jar, pour in a small amount of wax and roll it around the edge of the jar to coat it in a thin layer. This stops any berries from poking out and gives a cleaner finish. I placed my wicks and stood them up with the metal holder, poured in the first thin bottom layer just to keep them in place. Now again, learn from my mistakes. Don't cut your wicks too short or place them too close to the edge of the jar, just like I'm demonstrating here. So the previous day I'd already made my beeswax berries and placed them in the freezer. Unfortunately I forgot to film that bit. You don't have to put them in the freezer, but I find that it helps reduce the amount of melting when adding the hot gel wax. Add in your first few blueberries, and you can use the end of a fork or a coffee stirrer to put them where you like. Then add a bit more gel wax. The trick here is to pour as cold as possible so you don't melt the berries, but hot enough to avoid bubbles. Add more blueberries. Add more gel wax. Add more, well, you get the idea. Keep building up the layers until you've finished your candle. Personally, I like to have a few berries poking out the top. Let me know how your jam candles came out. You can tag me on social media like Instagram or Twitter, or comment below. See you next time!